So this is for the one who copies me. Hmm? So what did when my uploads are late, I come to know someone copies me. So what did I say? That Beduk chap threatens me that she'll kill her father and frame me because I am living in the same floor. And the one who copies me, where he lives? Does he live in Victoria? In the same floor? No. Victoria E? No. So then the one who copies me will say that he went into that prostitution racket, showed up his hands every time, but every time I didn't do it because I used to come home and show the pockets in front of my own surveillance that I have no phone, and I used to email that to police. But I had no phone. I always have to drop in the evidences that my phone is in the house. But if the stolen phone and dead phone, if those are making nudes, then it's the best thing. Getting this back. Then the one who copies me will also say that he went to the court, he got the papers. What papers? Who went to court? And Siraj planted phone location on who? And whose sex videos are made? And who were they trying to plant phone location on? So the one who copies me. When my uploads are late, this shit happens. They copy me. They have access into my. So the matter is, going into their prostitution was damn important because the dead phone and the stolen phone, which were making nudes inside my house and framing me at the prostitution racket, happens the same. And I put my hands up, no phone, come back in front of the surveillance, show my pocket, no phone. Then, and whenever I took the phone, I kept it in the moped. If I ever took the phone, so I kept it in the moped, and someone opens my moped with the clone keys in front of the surveillance, which I dropped the details to police. Which I dropped that details. So clone keys, and I got that stuff. So they have no clue what I've been doing, and I have everything in my head start from the beginning that I have to somehow prove that I have no phone. Below the building, I don't go in chaddi. I was going there in the prostitution racket in chaddi. It's not that I don't wear chaddi. I wear chaddi and banyan all the time. But if you're going out somewhere for a long ride and all, so you will prefer pant. I used to not. Why you know? Because I have to show there is no phone in that pocket because it's visible. So look, they cannot. If they copy me, they cannot copy those events which I did. They cannot copy everything how much I put them in front of everyone, in front of police, and how much, what do you call it? How much they tried their best to cut the surveillance of road surveillance, that they should not be seen. It should be hidden. It was happening all the time. So the one who copies me, they want to say that he went to the court and he got the papers, and Siraj was planting. Siraj sent few people who were planting phone location on him, right? Who is that fuck? Who is that fuck? In court. So one who copies me. So giving that details was damn important. So I have always look, the moment I found out that this is a technical and the phone thing is happening, message planting, and those are the prostitutes. I have to go into their prostitution. Why police didn't catch them then? 24th May, the message planting was done from here. And I was sleeping in Chembur. I went to police. I asked for surveillance who traveled from here till there. Police didn't police didn't answer this. So I have to go into their prostitution racket. I kept on going in police station. Police never. So I have to figure my way out. And those are the prostitutes in the transaction which are men in their confession. They gave a confession. Confession is all over in the India. Those guys work in bank. Those people work in bank. And at night, those are the trans hookers. And over that, they are giving a threat. Not a threat. It's kind of they will not let the production get cornered for their crimes. So those are the criminals. So let them go in. Let their property get sealed. If those are the criminals, then let them go in. Why production is hiding the fake bank account? If production has nothing to do with it, then give the fake bank account details. So the one who copies me is nothing but a shit. Because if I stay in one box, they will keep the phone anywhere. Behind this wall, this wall. 4 walls are there, up and down is also there. So how will I bring them out? I bought them out. And they were planting and committing crime from dead phone, clone dead phone, the clone of dead phone and stolen phone. Their robbery is right there. From years they have planned this. LAN server details as well. LAN server details is the basic robbery, is the first robbery. Stealing of papers, what they know about it? What treatment did I use? Tell me. I know the treatment. Who are you fucking with? And who are you copying? So the one who copies me. Ask him to provide his one nude which were made in prostitution racket. Then he should go to police station. If I get any kind of nude like that, within 24/7 I'll pull everyone out from the fake bank account and everyone. And I have to recognize that guy. Who was it who made sex video? From the clone and the stolen phone. Clone of dead phone and the stolen phone. So fuck you. So when I took the phone, I gave the details as well, and when I didn't, I provided the details. Go fuck yourself.